This video is to help diagnose a problem with the StreetStrider Model 8S. It was delivered at the beginning of January 2021. It's got a very loud clicking in the wheel bearings, and the video that follows will illustrate this, and hopefully we can resolve it under warranty. Thank you.
Get close.
Yep.
So it's just as smooth as can be. The brakes seem fine. Nothing's dragging or clicking. I felt a little click there when I moved it, but everything just seems great. But as soon as there's weight on the bearings, so it seems like its bearings going bad, and it's both sides.
Now this was white glove assembled, and this thing probably has less than 50 miles on it.
But it does have a few miles on it. It's been worked, pleasantly, lovingly worked. Okay, so again, everything seems fine until there's weight on it, and both sides exhibit the same clicking behavior when there's a load on it. When there's not a load on it, the bearing just seems smooth as can be, no detectable play, brakes seem fine, all the little pieces of wire that might be catching and clicking are clear. Okay.